So the other day I was looking for some new video ideas when I remembered, hey, yo, we're in the actual, oh, there it is. When I remembered I still need to build my QK60. So that is what we're gonna do today. But first, I need to make some coffee. Okay, now we've got a moody candle lit for the vibes. Trying to keep the Christmas spirit alive out here. And I've got my coffee. With all that out of the way, let's get straight to the build. Cool, we basically got all the hard parts done. All we need to do now is put it in the case and we'll be good to go. But I've got some other things to do, so we'll finish up tomorrow. Okay, it is now tomorrow, and please, after you. I want to make a quick snack before we get going again. I've actually been working on another video and accidentally got paint all over my hand. Got most of it washed off, but hopefully I don't accidentally get anything on the key. Is wearing gloves too much? Or... So where did we leave? Oh yeah. All we need to do is put the guts into the body and we'll be clacking away. Let's go. And there it is. She's finally done. My first 60% board, and that finally occupies the remaining place on the quad stand. Wait, does that mean no more keyboards?